A bee's gentle kiss on the blooming trees used to be strong enough to beget fragrant and juicy petals.
Recently, the hardworking bees are seemingly losing their jobs due to the emergence of their mechanical relatives. I'm Shang Sheng, correspondent from Xinhua News Agency. I'm now at Thymenguan City, which is located in the center of Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region.
If you come here, you may be surprised by the unmanned aerial vehicles and skilled pollinators hovering between lines of kola pear trees. That's because bees have been stopped from wending their way through the local orchards in an attempt to prevent the spread of canker, a deadly disease that destroys trees.
这个犁的话，1亩地也需要至少2个工，1个工1天的话是300的话，那么2个工就至少是600。它效率高啊，它这个1天这个作业呢，可以相当于人工的50到60倍，费用比较低。
Thanks to the popular drones, local farmers are enjoying a disease-free and effective access to have their trees pollinated, despite the large planting area.